Good day everyone! My name is Louis Del Ferro from grade 11 Nakaura, and I am here to present to you finding the x and y intercepts for the graphs of rational functions. So our objectives for today is to know what it is, to know where to find it, know why it is important, and know how to solve for it. What are the x and y intercepts? The x and y intercepts are both coordinates within the x and y axis. The x-intercept has its y-coordinate in 0, while the y-intercept has its x-coordinate in 0 as well. Where can we find the x and y intercepts? The x and y intercepts lay between their own axis lines. Therefore, it is found within the lines themselves, as shown on the picture to the left. Why is it important to find the x and y intercepts? We find the x and y intercepts in order to pinpoint in where the graph of an equation crosses the axis. How do we find the x and y intercepts? We substitute y is to 0 in the function and get the equivalent value of x to find the x-intercept of a rational function, and we substitute x is to 0 in the function and get the appropriate value of y to find the y-intercept of a rational function. When solving for the x-intercept, it is important to note to exclude the denominator, while for the y-intercept, we will be using the whole equation. We will be using this rational equation as an example shown in the screen. To solve for the x-intercept, we will be substituting y is to 0. Then to isolate the x, we will be adding negative 3 on both sides. Therefore, we have negative 3 and 0 as our coordinates for the x-intercept. To solve for the y-intercept, we will be substituting x is to 0. We will then simplify the denominator. Then, we will solve for y. As a result, we have a fraction of 3 over 3, and if simplified, we have 1. Therefore, we have 0 and 1 as our coordinates for the y-intercept. As a summary, we have negative 3 and 0 as our x-intercept, and we have 0 and 1 as our y-intercept. As shown in the picture, this is our final graph for the x and y intercepts of the given equation. That is all I have for you today. Once again, I am Louis Del Ferro from grade 11 Nakaura, and I
Created using Powtoon.